Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to another Optimize Plus One. Have you ever had an experience that annoyed you? Or perhaps a particular person who seems particularly skilled at annoying you? Times two. Me too. Times three. So, I'm currently experiencing one of those moments with a particular individual who shall remain anonymous. We'll skip the details and focus on how we can use those inevitable experiences and individuals as additional fuel for our anti-fragile fires. Remember that recent discussion we had about the Stoic medallions? One of those coins featured a beautiful fire on the front, along with the powerful words amor fati. Amor fati. Nietzsche coined that. It means to love your fate. We'll talk about Joseph Campbell's thoughts on that wisdom soon. Today, we're going to talk about one of my new mantra prayers. To explain why he put a fire on the front of their Amor Fati coin, Ryan Holiday tells us to consider this wisdom from Marcus Aurelius. I quote, "A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it." Think about that for a moment. And if you feel so inspired, repeat after me. A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it. Now, let's bring to mind a current challenge you might be facing. Got it? Awesome. Now, throw it into your fire. That's today's plus one. Let's make flame and brightness out of everything today.